It sounds like you have a well-rounded approach to collecting feedback through multiple channels, including in-app measurements, end-of-program surveys, and one-on-one calls. Gathering qualitative insight through personal interactions seems especially valuable for building long-term relationships with clients. When you review this feedback, how do you integrate it into your program development and improvement? For instance, do you have a system in place to prioritize changes based on common themes or suggestions from participants?
Yes, good question, which I didn't answer before. Sorry. So yeah, we do. We have in Monday, we have a board that is sort of enhancements based on feedback. So we will, throughout the program and throughout the year, have the board where anyone in the business can, and the ticket basically makes suggestions for an enhancement or an improvement, or an urgent need to fix something. And so that board with the product team is sort of assessed. And again, the guiding principles are there in that, are we making an enhancement just for one circumstance, or will this enhancement help us reach our goals? And is it scalable? Can we do this again? Is it going to, if we implement this enhancement or improvement, will that help us reach our goals in every circumstance? And so that's the way we manage the feedback and then our prioritization on that. So as an example, the product team currently, they're in dev mode, so they're actually working on a more personalized system to roll out within our portal, which will allow us to hyper-personalize the learning for each of our learners. So currently they work in 2-week sprints, and so it might be at the start of a sprint or at the start of the year, we might review what's in there and see if there's anything that we need to add to a particular sprint. But currently our focus is on delivering the same programs that we have done, because we think we've got them to an optimized level for now, whilst the product team focused on the development of the AI-enabled personalization learning tool.